Hey, it's Corey from First Line. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your DeconKeg. The first thing you want to do whenever you're working on a DeconKeg is depressurize it using this pressure release valve. So this one's brand new, shouldn't have any pressure in it. Pull up, make sure no air is venting out. Then you're going to open up the top, turn 90 degrees, remove it. Your hose and sprayer come shipped inside your DeconKeg. So pull them out. Right. Now to attach it, you're going to need either a 14 millimeter or a 9/16 crescent wrench or an adjustable wrench. You need to take the hose, seat it as centered as possible on top of the nipple coming out of the DeconKeg, and then take that lock ring, that lock nut, and tighten it down. Use your crescent wrench or adjustable wrench and tighten it down. Now, one of the mistakes people make is not tightening this down enough. It does need to be fairly tight to get a good seal. Now, some of these units were shipped without the cutoff valves. So what we've done is we actually have cutoff valves we'll ship out to anybody that's missing that piece, and we will show you how to install those now. The replacement valve that you're being shipped is going to already have PTFE tape on it, and using a 5/8 wrench or a 16 millimeter wrench, you can by hand unscrew the sprayer. Make sure that when you're unscrewing it, you're holding on to this closest nut to the sprayer, not the nut down here. It's going to have tape already on the threads. Make sure you keep that tape on the threads. If for whatever reason it comes off, you can just take some Teflon tape, PTFE tape, and apply it to the threads. Now, take the cutoff valve and screw it on. Alright, so you're going to take that same 5/8 wrench and an adjustable wrench and tighten it down. This doesn't need to be super tight. You'll feel the threads lock up. So it's okay if you see a little bit of threads and tape. It's fine. It'll lock up under pressure. We've had no issues with that. And then take your sprayer and thread it back on. And this, you don't need any tools for this. This is just hand tight. Alright, so now you can put the top back on your DeconKeg. Make sure that you kind of try to center it in the oblong hole there. Lock it shut. Make sure that your pressure relief ring is not stuck open. And you're ready to use. If you have any questions about the DeconKeg or anything else, just contact info@firstlinetech.com.